The following video will demonstrate the installation, setup and use of the CIMCO Edit Integration for Mastercam. Please go to the mastercam.dk website. You will then need to locate and select the CIMCO Edit Integration tab. Here you will find a general overview of the product, along with a support section which provides a step-by-step process of how to use the CIMCO Edit Integration. To download the product, simply locate and select the Download tab. Here you will find version archives and release notes. Click the download icon and once complete, run the installer. Select the Mastercam versions you wish to run CIMCO Edit Integration on, and then click Install. Once the installation is complete, you can now go ahead and add CIMCO Edit Integration to the Mastercam ribbon. Please follow the on-screen steps. Open your Mastercam application and select the program that you wish to verify with a machine simulation. Select the operations to be simulated within machine simulation, and then choose the Mastercam C-Hook Run CIMCO Edit from the ribbon bar. A setup window will open. Under Machine, select the drop-down menu and select the machine to use within the simulation. Under Workpiece and Fixture, from the drop-down menu, choose the option in how the geometry will be determined. Click Select to apply the geometry. None means that no geometry will be selected. Selected, select geometry from the Mastercam window. External STL, you can choose geometry from an external folder, and from Level, you can select the geometry using the levels. And the same applies for the fixturing. Under Stock, users can choose the type of stock to be output to machine simulation. Again, None means that no stock will be selected. Stock Setup means that this uses the stock definition from Mastercam. Selected allows users to select stock from the Mastercam window. External STL, you can choose a stock STL from an external folder, and again from Level, you can select the stock using the levels. Under Translation, you can input the values for the position of the geometry in relation to the machine 0, X, Y, and Z. The automatic alignment calculates a bounding box from the selected workpiece, fixture, stock, and aligns the models and work offset to the specified direction. Under Alignment, use the drop-down menu to select the specified direction. The work offset setup informs the C-Hook of what work offsets are going to be used in the program. It can then apply the translation and the automatic alignment to the specified work offsets. Right-click and select Add to create a work offset. Tick the Tool Call by Name option to specify whether the tools are called by name or number. Launch Mode allows users to determine which simulation option to use, Backplot or Machine Simulation. If a user selects Machine Simulation, the Mastercam program will be output in CIMCO Machine Simulation. Backplot, the Mastercam program will be output in CIMCO Backplot. Once the setup is complete, select Run. The Mastercam program will be output to either Machine Simulation or Backplot, depending on the selection made. This was a video demonstration on the installation, setup and use of the CIMCO Edit Integration for Mastercam.